Congratulations to our NTCA 5-Star Project of the Year winners, which is sponsored by Dow Tile. Our categories for 2020 are Residential, Commercial, Commercial Elite, and People's Choice, which is decided by online voting. I would like to take a moment to thank our esteemed judges who we rely on for their technical expertise and passion for our industry. Richard P. Goldberg, Architect and President of ProCon Consulting, Architecture and Tile Industry Consultant. Kent Glazer of Tile and Stone Consultants, and David M. Gobis, Ceramic Tile Consultant. The criteria for this award include scope, complexity, technical soundness, and presentation. For this video, we will be highlighting our residential and commercial winners. I would like to honor Boatman & Magnani, Inc. as our Residential Achievement of Excellence Award winner for their French travertine villa project. Boatman & Magnani, Inc. installed tile and stone in this private residence in Maryland. Over 8,000 square feet of 1 cm travertine in a French pattern graced the basement and first floor levels over a radiant floor heating system. The project included 8 uniquely designed and detailed bathrooms with a stunning master bath whose shower area elements and countertops were clad in vein-matched Magnum gold marble slabs. Installers coordinated and carefully cut plumbing penetrations, precisely templating and numbering the travertine shower floor. Boatman & Magnani fabricated and installed the natural stone and quartz elements, including 7 slabs of quartzite for the kitchen premier tops and islands. Additional countertops, door jambs, and niche casings adorned each bathroom, as well as 4 natural stone-clad bars and multiple furniture tops. On the exterior, random-sized split-face Texas cream limestone wall veneer, cut-to-size water tables and sills, and several arch fascias and soffits were installed. Next, I would like to congratulate our residential grand prize winner, Heritage Marble and Tile from Mill Valley, California, for their ultimate grotto project. Heritage Marble and Tile installed intricate custom glass mosaic tiles by Sissy's and handmade ceramic Pratt & Larson tile onto a Moroccan-style gunite grotto shell, which arched gracefully over the pool. The contractor had to float the walls with mud to meet the tolerances that would accept the glass mosaic. It then turned out that the niches were poured 2 to 3 inches off-center, which did not match the careful calculations by the landscape architect that Sissy's used to create the custom mosaic. In addition, the diameter of the bottom of the grotto was 2 inches larger than at top. Heritage Marble and Tile was faced with reordering all of the glass mosaic from Italy, thus delaying the project, or piecing in the niches by hand and hand reworking the circles in the mosaic pattern. This was a technically challenging installation that tested the focus, detail, and stamina of the installer. The end result was a stunning pool grotto that exceeded everybody's expectations. Now for our commercial category, Commercial Achievement of Excellence Award that goes to Artcraft Granite Marble and Tile Company in Mesa, Arizona for the project Mission Improbable Elevate 24. This massive business complex required exterior installation of 52,000 square feet of 12-inch by 24-inch porcelain floor tile. This was installed with 9 different percentages within 3 uninterrupted 6-foot by 8-foot patterns specific to atriums, walking paths, and common areas. It flowed through all levels of one building, through walkways, and through the 4 levels of another building. 20,000 square feet of loose, unbonded tile and mud bed had to be removed. Then remudded, waterproofed, and reset with an additional waterproof membrane, pushing original plans for the remaining 32,000 square feet beyond budget. Artcraft installed tile over tile, removing areas that didn't have the proper bond, cleaning tile, and reinstalling. Artcraft's 2 ACT certified and 7 CTEF certified tile installers were vital to this project's success, ensuring all materials were installed per all national industry standards. Last, I would like to congratulate our commercial grand prize winner, Grazzini Brothers and Company, for Shakopee Metawakanton Sioux Community Cultural Center in Shakopee, Minnesota. SMSC is a new 41,092,500 square foot, uniquely constructed, multi-purpose facility featuring 40-foot high teepees. This community gathering space and cultural activity site has a 3,805 square foot public exhibit chronicling the history of the Shakopee Metawakanton Sioux tribe. Over 28,000 square feet of ceramic and stone mosaic floor, wall tile, ceramic tile base, and glass wall tile was installed. The river rock pebble mosaic evoking the flowing Minnesota River throughout the River Galley and Hall of the Dakotas areas was made of actual river rocks, sliced in half and meshed together so that the flat rock faces formed the finished floor. Recent NTCA Commercial Tile Setter Craftsperson of the Year, Farid Hasik, was the foreman and lead setter on this project. Congratulations to all our winners from the NTCA 5-Star Contractor Group.